If you're going through a breakup, I'm here to give you 9 practical steps that are going to help you move on and regain your self-worth. In these videos, I'm not here to tell you what you want to hear. I'm here to tell you what you need to hear. I don't sugarcoat shit. My name is Velasco, and if you've been searching for a channel that gives you raw life and relationship advice beyond the comfort zone, one without any fancy editing, just me and you talking as if we were just face to face, sitting in a room, giving you hard, unfiltered advice, then you've come to the right place. If that sounds like something that you can handle, then do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any future unfiltered truths. So you got your heart broken, huh? It feels like the world's turned its back on you, like you're standing in the middle of a storm with no shelter in sight. But let me tell you something. This moment right here is the most crucial moment of your life. You think it's the end? Nah, it's the beginning of something way bigger than you ever imagined. Pain? It's temporary. What you do with that pain, that's what defines you. You're not here to be a victim of your own story. You're here to rise and rewrite the damn script. Phase 1 is facing the truth. First things first, you gotta face the truth. Stop lying to yourself. Stop pretending that things can go back to the way they were. The relationship is over, period. The more you cling to the past, the deeper you sink into that pit of despair. You're torturing yourself with what ifs and maybes. Let me tell you, there's no power in living in the past. The only power you got is now. So accept it. The relationship is dead. And the sooner you can accept that, the sooner you can start rebuilding yourself from the ground up. Step 2, taking responsibility. Now, this is the part where most people trip up. They point fingers, they play the blame game and wallow in self-pity, but not you. You're different. You're going to own your part in this and take responsibility. Now, whether you messed up or just let someone stay in your life longer than they deserved, it doesn't matter. Own it. Because when you take responsibility, you take control. And when you take control, you can steer your life in any direction you damn well please. Step 3, the purge. It's time to clean house. Get rid of reminders, the photos, the texts, everything that ties you to that person. Delete it, burn it, trash it, whatever you gotta do, just do it. You see? Every time you hold on to something from that relationship, you're anchoring yourself to the past. You're giving that person power over you. But when you let it go, you're cutting the chains. You're freeing yourself. Don't think about how hard it is. Think about how necessary it is. This isn't about forgetting. It's about breaking free. Step 4, reclaim your time. Now, here's the truth. When you were in that relationship, you gave up parts of yourself, your time, your energy, your focus. It all went to someone else. But now that they're gone, it's time to take it all back. Reclaim your time. Focus on you. And I'm not talking about distractions. I'm talking about investing in yourself. Get back to those dreams that you put on hold. Dive into those projects that you never had time for. When you reclaim your time, you reclaim your power. You're not just moving on, you're moving forward. Step 5, building a stronger you. Now, this is where the real work begins. You're going to build a version of yourself that's unbreakable, but it's not going to be easy. It's going to require grit, determination, and a relentless focus on growth. Every day you wake up with a purpose to be better than you were yesterday. You feed your mind with knowledge, surround yourself with people who push you forward, and you stay away from anything or anyone that drags you back down. This is your time to evolve, to transform into the person that you were always meant to be. Step 6, redefine your self-worth. Now, you know what's more powerful than someone loving you? Loving yourself. That's right. The most important relationship that you ever have is the one with yourself. So if you're still looking for validation from someone else, you've got it all wrong. Your worth isn't defined by someone's opinion of you. It's defined by how you see yourself. Redefine your self-worth. See yourself as someone who's strong, capable, and worthy of everything good that this world has to offer. When you value yourself, you won't settle for anything less than you deserve. Step 7, staying the course. Now, healing, it isn't linear. Some days you'll feel like you're on top of the world. Other days you'll feel like you're right back where you started, and that's okay. What's not okay is giving up. You keep going no matter how tough it gets. You stay the course, you stay disciplined, you stay focused on the goal, becoming the best version of yourself. Every setback is just a setup for a comeback. And when you feel like you can't go on, remember this, you survived 100% of the worst days so far, so you've got this. Step 8, leveraging the lessons. Now, don't leave this experience empty-handed. There are lessons buried in that pain, lessons about yourself, about the relationship, about life. Dig deep and find them. Maybe you learn what you don't want in a partner. Maybe you realize you were giving too much without getting enough in return. Whatever it is, learn the lesson, because if you don't, you're bound to make the same mistakes again. And trust me, you don't want to go through the pain twice. Use what you've learned to build a better future, not just for yourself, but for the next person who's lucky enough to be in your life. Step 9, moving forward. Now that you've done the work, it's time to move forward. Not just move on, move forward. There's a difference. Moving on is just about getting over something, but moving forward is about growing from it, becoming stronger because of it, and using that strength to build a life that's even better than before. You're not just surviving, you're thriving. You're not just getting by, you're getting ahead. And when you look back at this time, you won't see it as the moment that you got your heart broken. You'll see it as a moment you rebuild yourself into something unstoppable. So there you have it, 9 steps that are going to help you move on and regain your self-worth after a broken heart. But here's the deal. You've got everything you need to heal, grow, to move forward, and to become stronger, more powerful version of yourself. It's not going to be easy, and it's not going to happen overnight. But if you stay committed, if you stay focused, if you stay hungry for that better life, you will make it through. And when you do, you'll look back and realize that this breakup wasn't the end. It was just the beginning of the greatest comeback story ever written. Yours. Thanks for watching, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, my name is Velasco. I'm just a guy who lives in Los Angeles, giving you life and relationship advice. This is my brand new YouTube channel, Beyond the Comfort Zone. And it'll mean a lot if you help me grow a community here on YouTube by not just subscribing, but by also commenting, sharing, and of course, smashing the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And if you're looking for another video to watch, check this one out right here. Hope to see you there.